Hi guys, it's Chris here from Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, and we're plane spotting again. All these images and videos were taken from the Thistle Hotel platform at London Heathrow. A great place for plane spotting, highly recommend it. There's 11 takeoffs in this video from Royal Brunei, Virgin, Royal Jordan, United, American Airlines, and a beautiful shot going into the sunset of Emirates. Hope you enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and please check out my channel. As you can see, I have lots of travel videos publishing every day, so please enjoy the planes and please do subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.